Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to use the word erst in a sentence. This video is split into two parts. In the first part we are going to learn in which situations to use the word erst, and in the second part we are going to take a look at some examples. Erst in English has many different meanings. It can mean not until, only, or first. It is used when we want to express not earlier than, it's only, or when we want to express that something happened just a short time ago. We can also use it when we want to boost a statement, or when we want to say that we have to do something first, or when we also want to say, I only came so far after a certain time. At the end we will also take a look at the expression erst wenn. Alright, let's take a look at some examples. As already said before, erst can also mean not earlier than. For example, der nächste Termin ist erst morgen. Der nächste Termin ist erst morgen. Means the next appointment is not until tomorrow. Referring to time, it can also mean it's only. For example, es ist erst 7 Uhr. Wir haben noch 2 Stunden Zeit. Es ist erst 7 Uhr. Wir haben noch 2 Stunden Zeit. Means it's only 7 o'clock. We still have 2 hours left. We can also use it when we want to express that something happened just a short time ago or that we did something just a short time ago. For example, ich habe Vivian erst gestern getroffen. Ich habe Vivian erst gestern getroffen. Means I just met Vivian yesterday, or I met Vivian only yesterday. With the word erst, we can also boost a statement. For example, A says, ich bin müde, and B answers, und ich erst. Let's repeat. A says, ich bin müde, and B answers, und ich erst. Means A says, I'm tired, and B says, and I'm even worse. So this would mean B is even more tired than A. It can be also used when we want to express that we have to do something at first. For example, ich muss erst meine Katze füttern, dann können wir ins Kino gehen. Ich muss erst meine Katze füttern, dann können wir ins Kino gehen. Means I have to feed my cat first, then we can go to the movies. With erst we can also express that we only came so far after a certain time. For example, bis jetzt habe ich erst 10 Seiten gelesen. Bis jetzt habe ich erst 10 Seiten gelesen. Means until now I have only read 10 pages. And our last one, the expression erst wenn. For example, wir gehen erst, wenn es nicht mehr regnet. Wir gehen erst, wenn es nicht mehr regnet. Means we will not leave until it stopped raining. So this is kind of a condition here. So the condition here is that it's not raining anymore, then we can go. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next time.